I just showed you the tour, right? So now I'm getting down to the forest. We are in Avalanche, and I'm taking my family down to the stream, which I showed earlier in my video. So here you go. This Bebo. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, where are we going? Towards jungle, right? Okay. Uh, so there's a stream out there, and there's also a lake, and there's a dense forest. So you're liking it? So how are you feeling now, Bebo? Feeling good?
Good.
Great. Okay, so here you go. We are going through the jungle.
Huh?
Walking down.
We go that
Okay, show us the direction, Bebo.
way.
Okay, let's go. Just look at the rocks. Don't fall down. Okay. That's my wife.
Hi.
It's always good to walk down a jungle with family, right? So uh, there's a lot of poos around, so I think this is more of elephant or bison. Okay, let's have a look at the stream. Okay, show us the way towards the stream, Bebo. You are my guide. Here you go. Just be careful, Bebo, okay?
Okay.
Okay, here you go. Is it nice?
এটা ছুঁড়ে ফেলে দিচ্ছিল এত বদমাশ ভিডিও এই সাইডে যাবি না
Tiger, 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 tiger. That's the mountain, and here's the stream, and here's the jungle.
This stupid stream pocha for washing backside after doing potty. Big leg. To eat animals.
Okay, guys, I just showed you the video with my family, so they enjoyed it, and I think we'll head towards home now. Well, the home is Uti for us now, and tomorrow we'll head towards Bangalore. That's our home. Bye, see you then.